Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Jay here, back at it again with another video. In today's video, we're going to be upgrading the dome light inside the F150 with some LEDs. Alright, so what's up guys? The build continues for the F150. First thing we're going to do, it's pretty minor, but we're going to change the LEDs. We are going to change the dome lights inside the F150 to some bright white LEDs. I got these LEDs for a pack of 10 off of Amazon for about $9. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is remove this top, the cover, remove this top, the cover off of the lights. And be careful so you have to take out the screws up here, here, and here, and make sure when you remove the third screw that you have a hold of it, because this whole piece will fall down. Alright, so this is the third screw. Just get this out. Now this whole thing will just pop right out. There you go. Alright, so now that we have this out, the top one is pretty easy to remove. Just take this one out and then replace it with a new one. Alright, so I put in the new one. Just make sure that you have the LEDs pointing right out. Now turn this over to the back side, and to replace both of these ones you have to remove these screws and take off this back plate. So we'll do that right now, then we'll replace the other two LEDs. Alright, so now that we've removed all 4 screws, just pop this out, move this casing to the side, pull these right out, and then you just replace those 2 bulbs. So now I'm going to put these 2 in here, then afterwards we put this all back together and we can have a look at how it is. Now that we have all 4 bolts back on, all we have to do is to put this back up there, put everything back together, and then we can have a look if all the LEDs work. So I'll cut back to when it's all put back together. Alright, now put this back on. Now let's have a look at how it looks. Like, I'm recording this in the daytime, so it might not be as bright. Alright, so we're back. All I had to really do was see the LED right there. I just had to move it down. I guess it wasn't connected well. I'm not going to remove the whole thing, to just move it down a bit. So now it works. That one works, and that one works. All 3 work. This goes to show, before you put everything back together, make sure it all works. Alright, so with that said, put this piece on. Alright guys, so that's basically it for this video. This upgrade is pretty cheap, and it, to be honest, will only take you 5 minutes to do. And that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out in any way, leave a like down below, leave a comment, and maybe subscribe if you want to. Like, it's up to you, but it would mean a lot to me. So yeah, have a nice day. I'll catch you guys in the next one.